Introducing Cropper, Stylup's smart cropping tool designed to help you cleanly isolate your garments. In most cases, Stylup automatically detects your garment's shape and style, if the image is well shot. But in those tricky moments where it needs a little help, Cropper steps in. Here's how to use it. Click on Cropper to open the tool. Next, upload the garment image you'd like to refine. Once the image loads, click anywhere on the garment to begin. Then, keep clicking around the edges to draw a clean outline. When you've finished marking the full area, click Finish Mask. You'll now see the masked result. If you're happy with it, hit Use. Stylup will now treat this crop shape as the reference image for your final model output. And that's it. Simple, fast, and precise. Cropper, built to give you more control when you need it.